The idea of this is basically we can get that painted quickly, get the inside of the wings painted quickly. They can... Right, working again now. I think the cold must have knackered the battery, went from 70% to 0, just as quick as that. So, you've missed me painting now. So these are all the areas that we're not going to be able to get to or see properly until... well, never really. But there's more than likely going to be an argument when we fit these wings because they don't fit particularly nice. So it's better that we get everything painted now. Everything's all sealed in, as you saw, hopefully. So when we fit them, that's it then. We don't have to take them back off. We don't have to mess around with anything else. Now they have already been fitted, and they were close. So I have to get the bonnet back on and have a proper look. So, but these are all painted inside now. So again, these have been epoxied anyway. You'd have seen that in the previous video. So all we've done is put two coats of the colour on, make sure everything's sealed in properly. We don't want any issues later on in life with the car, same as all this side. If you go back to some previous videos, you'll see actually how bad that was and how much there wasn't. So it's nice to see some colour going back on now. Starting to look like a car again. So we'll get these wings on. There's a couple of little repairs to do on the wings, so we'll do them when they're on the car. We've nearly finished the little bits of filler wear that we've had to do on the car. So we'll get the wings on, get them gapped, get everything built back up, double check everything, pull the doors back off, the wings are staying on. We'll get it masked up for primer, get that on, get that blocked, and then we can get it painted then. And I'm spitting everywhere. So that's not good, is it? Right, so that's that for now. This video will carry on as far as you're concerned anyway. Just wanted to show you them bits with a fresh battery. Yeah, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Alright, welcome back. I don't know if this is... I've got a few bits filmed on my computer, so I don't know which way round this is going to go. So if this is an intro, hi, welcome back. If it's the middle of a video, hi, welcome back to the middle of the video. Right, so we're on with the MG again. We've got the engine bay. I would like to have done it all in one go, but we're still messing around with the wings. They're being a bit of a pain. I've probably already said in all the videos as well, with still a man down, so we're just trying to squeeze in when the boot's free, get something in, what can we do, what can we not do, blah 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 blah. Trying to be efficient. So we've got it all masked up, I'll show you. So you can see, hopefully you can hear me alright, boat's running, so we've got the engine as well. Radiator panel, sorry. God, there we go. So we're going to get some primer on this now. We're going to give it a little bake. Then we'll have to prep that. And then we're going to paint it. So on this video you'll see this engine bay painted. And that radiator support. Then that can be back masked. Hopefully the wings are finished with. And then we can start putting them back on. So we've had them on and off about 10 times. Very annoying, but these things are there to test us sometimes. So yeah, so we're all ready to go. So we'll crack on. Less waffle. For those of you that are interested, actually more waffle. Right, hopefully you've seen that. I just basically put a wet coat all the way around. I've turned the gun down to more of a jet and just applied a bit more where we feel that we needed a bit more. So it's all had about a coat and a half. I'm going to go back in. I'm just letting that flash off for another 10 minutes. I'm going to go back in. I just need to mix a bit more primer. Stick another wet coat over all of it, and then we'll let that bake. I'll not film that process because that'll be a boring 20-minute video watching the primer bake. Yeah, so when that's done, we'll come back to it when it's all kind of prepped. If I've got time, I'll try and show how we're going to prep it. If we haven't, we'll just have to sort of get on, if you like. Right, I'm going to mix some more primer and I'll join you back later. Right, back again, back in the booth. So we've had this out, sanded, I've painted a bumper in between, so not that you'll know that, but that's what I've done anyway. So we've got this prepped, you can see now. I don't know how well this is going to turn out on camera, so I might have to. I'm going to put you on the side again. Hopefully you'll have a rough idea of what we're doing, why we're doing it, or whatever. And then I'll show you around once we're finished. Hopefully that makes sense. So we'll try. Right, back again now. We've got all the paint on, booths turned off, all cleared out. So that's the radiator support. Probably looks black on the screen, to be honest with you. It's a bit, we're in between my lights in the booth, so it looks a bit darker. I might see a bit more blue in that side. So you have a rough idea what we're doing. So that's that. So basically, in a nutshell, I think I might have already said previously in the video, I'd like to have done more of this as one, if that makes any sense. I'd like to have primed the whole thing in one go and then backmasked various areas as we've gone that are ready for paint. But when the booth's empty, because we're still a man down, when the booth's empty, if I can get something in it fairly quickly, I always try and do that. I've probably said it already, so ignore me if I've said it. So basically, with I'll turn it around. You can see all painted. So basically that's 3 layers of direct gloss paint, which is called in teal blue, which is what the customer's after, sorry, wrong way around. So we're going to leave this tomorrow for me. I'll debag that. We'll carry on with the wings. We'll see if we can get them somewhere close this time. We've had to modify one of them, so hopefully that's, touch wood, that's going to fit a bit nicer. It's not far off now. There's a few little tiny bits to sort out, like I said, wings, and just double check a couple of areas, make sure we're happy, and then we can get it painted, which will be a very nice day. Customer can have it back and we can carry on with the next one. Yeah, so to save me waffling, I'm going to go now, but thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff. And yeah, hopefully when we see you on this one next, we should be priming the shell. There we go, should be priming the shell. And we might see if we can get primer and paint into one video. Just cut sections down a bit or something, we can sort it out, I'm sure. But yeah, still managed to waffle though, didn't I? So I'm gonna go. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.